Here's an example for the children how to solve an addition problem using the number line. First, you need to read the problem. There were 176 bushes in the park. Planters will place 215 more bushes around the walking trail in the park. How many bushes will be in the park when the planters finish? So they've underlined 176 plus 215. That is their equation. Now on the number line, I always ask the kids to start with a larger number, the higher number, 215. So they put the tick mark on the number line, 215. Then they go to their number 176 and think of expanded form. First they're going to add the 100. So plus 100. 215 plus 100 is 315. We go back to our number, and it's 76. So I'm going to ask them to add 70. Some kids could do add 70, add 50, and then 20, or some kids will have to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and add 10 each time. It is up to your child how they're going to do it. Now I'm just going to add 70 because I know 315 plus 70 is 385. Lastly, they go to the ones. Some kids will just add 6 and get 391. Some kids will add 5 and get 390 and then add 1. It is all about where your child is with understanding addition. But this is what it should look like for addition on the number line.